Good morning. Today your goal is to learn that there are different types of mechanical weathering. I also want to teach you the difference between weathering, erosion, and deposition, and those might all sound familiar from our lesson yesterday. So first, you need your science notebook and a pencil. If you need to pause to gather those materials, do that now, and I'll wait here. All right, welcome back. Let's take a look. At our notebook. We know we always need to title. Today we're doing types of mechanical weathering. And it's the 19th of November. If you need to pause to write that down, then you can. Okay, so there are three types that we're going to focus on. Abrasion, frost wedging, and root wedging. Okay, so you can write those three down too. Abrasion would be